Same company, same interview, but three different salary packages: Ninja, Digital, and Prime. Which one you should target? Hey guys, welcome to Code and Career. My name is Ankit, and I'm working as a software developer at IBM. In this video, I'll break down the difference between TCS Ninja, TCS Digital, and Prime roles, the salary, the difficulty level, and exactly how much preparation you need for each. If you are a fresher, in this video, I will help you decide your strategy. So, what are these three roles? The TCS hires freshers into three main categories. Entry level role, the Ninja one, is the easiest to crack. Then Digital is a mid-tier role with better salary and slightly tougher. And Prime is their top tier role with highest package, and it is the most competitive one. So let's talk about the salary now. So this is what everyone cares about. So for Ninja, they offer 3.3 to 3.6 LPA. This is the standard fresher package which they offer. For Digital, the package can go up to 7 to 7.5 LPA, almost double of Ninja and a big jump. And Prime, they offer 9 to 11 LPA. This is the top tier offer, and it is very competitive because the package is high. So clearly the difference is huge, which is why your preparation strategy matters. Difficulty level of Ninja is basic aptitude, simple coding, basic CS fundamentals, and the difficulty level for Ninja is easy. If your basics are clear, Ninja is very achievable. The difficulty level for Digital role is medium, where you can get asked moderate DSA, strong CS fundamentals, and better problem solving. Here competition increases a lot. And the difficulty level for the Prime role is strong DSA, good coding speed, deep understanding. This is closer to product-based company level. The interview, how they take, is closer to the product-based company level interview. So what you need to prepare? Now the most important part is how to prepare for these roles. So for Ninja role, you need to focus on aptitude, basic DSA, OOPS basics. In DSA, just focus on arrays and strings and you should be good. If you prepare for 2-3 weeks properly, you can crack Ninja very easily. For Digital role, you need to focus on DSA of easy to medium level difficulty, SQL queries, OOPS, DBMS, and OS, and you need to do around 1 to 2 months of preparation for cracking this role. And for Prime role, you need to focus on DSA of medium to hard level difficulty, and problem solving speed should be good, so you need to work on that. Then you need to have strong fundamentals of OOPS, DBMS, OS, and you need to have projects in your resume which you can explain in a good way in the interview. And you need serious preparation for this, around 2 to 3 months minimum. So let me be very honest, most candidates get Ninja, fewer get Digital, and very few get Prime. It's not about luck, it's about your preparation level. So here's a smart strategy most people miss. Prepare for Digital and you will easily get Ninja. Prepare for Prime and you will at least get Digital. So always aim one level higher. Just aim it and you will either reach there or a one below it, but yeah, you should always aim for higher roles and prepare for them in that way. So you need to avoid these mistakes. Only preparing aptitude is not good. You can't ignore DSA. Your project explanation cannot be weak in the interviews, and your communication can't be poor. So you need to work on your communication, have good communication and conversation skills so that you can explain your project, talk about the coding approach. Your project explanation should be good. You need to understand your project very well, what you have done, what challenges you have faced, and explain that to the interviewer so that he understands what project you built and what you've done actually. You can't ignore DSA because DSA will be asked, and if you want higher package, you need to go deep into DSA and prepare on the medium to hard level difficulty questions. You can't just be on the easy side. So yeah, do hard work and the results will appear. So if your goal is just to get a job at TCS, go for Ninja. If you want a good salary, then you need to target Digital. And if you want to stand out from everyone else, you need to aim for Prime. Comment TCS if you want a full roadmap for Digital or Prime preparation. And subscribe to Code and Career for more interview insights. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.